It's over. We're done. Wrap it up. So, both Ender 5S1s have been flashed with Klipper. What does that mean? Well, we have to tune these things. Although it did push out this benchy in 55 minutes, it looks like a dog turd. For tuning, we'll be using Ellis's tuning guide. I'll add a link in the description below. It is the first tuning guide that I found, but it's super informational and I like it. All right, step one, probe calibration. So, this is pretty straightforward. We're just gonna need a piece of paper. And once it grabs, we're just gonna wanna slide. Ooh. Feel that, I'm gonna go a little more. All right, step two is bed leveling, and we're gonna use the bed mesh feature that Mikey showed us last episode. It says no bed mesh has been loaded yet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna calibrate. Okay, so it is done. And now we have a height map, 198, 168. So that's where we're gonna go. So we'll go back to dashboard. We're pretty much at 198, so we'll just go 168. There is the high point. And we are going to go ahead and move it down a smidge. We'll run it one more time. Okay, let's see what we got. Results are in. Ooh! If we came up a smidge here, last one. We're gonna go up a smidge. Okay, look at that. Wow. Okay, so next step, extruder calibration. So what that means is basically if I ask for 100 millimeters of shmoo, do I get 100 millimeters of shmoo or do I get 80, 90, 110? So we're just gonna make sure the extruder is calibrated properly. So if that lands right at the base, that's where it stopped. It's pretty much perfect. Extrusion is done. I marked 100 millimeters and it shmooed 100 millimeters. Good. All right, I was doing a little research and it looks like we should have done the extruder PID calibration and the bed PID calibration before we did the extruder measurements. So let's do that now. Calibration for the extruder. Let's see if this works. Look at that. Everything's home. Here we go. Well, my friends, with the heaters dialed in, we have but only one step until we get to the fun stuff. We have to do extrusion advanced extrusion. What's it called? That is pressure advance. So, heard about it, don't really know what it is, but we're gonna find out. All right, there you have it. Pressure advance is done. And looks like I need to set it to 0.04. I'll show you guys a close-up here. So as you can see, our corners start to lose fill as you increase. So we're gonna wanna set ours around 0.04. Finally getting to the part that I'm excited about, we're gonna do acceleration tuning. So I'm not sure exactly if this is an accurate way to do it, but it's the way we're going to do it. So I made a custom tuning tower on Tinkercad, and we're going to gradually increase the acceleration as it builds. And then we should be able to tell where it starts getting ugly and, you know, where our range is as far as stock acceleration. Okay, our tuning tower or acceleration tower is complete. Results are, well, you take a look. So it looks like once we hit 7,000 here, see a layer shift. But we were at 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Well, that's 7,000. So you can kind of see the gradual increase. That's where we're going to stop our tuning for today, and we're going to go ahead and get our third benchy boat. So we got our very first benchy boat that came off stock. And we've got the benchy boat with a base Klipper profile, which looks horrendous. Now it's time to get ourselves a post-tune benchy boat. This thing is looking amazing. I mean, this took 55 minutes and it's saying it's going to be 45 minutes, so we'll see, but oh my goodness. Color me impressed. Thank you, Ellis. It's over. We're done. Wrap it up. Okay, so as far as quality, we're there. We might even be there on speed. I mean, I'm happy. Even if I slowed it down, I got it running 5,000 travel, it would look even better. This is killing me. This is good. We're done. Bass tune. I haven't even gotten into ringing or any resonance. That's what we'll do next. We're gonna dial it in even further because it is wavy, and we could get rid of that. It's just so much better. All right, good show, guys. Next time.